Move. I love you. Bye, cow. Altima SR, yeah. Absolutely beautiful. Wherever I am, I'm going to Teton National Park. Absolutely beautiful. Move. I love you. Bye, cow. CVT putting in work. But this road is very bumpy. Wow, look at that. Oh my gosh. Guys, if you have not gone to this region of the US, plan a week trip and just send it. Just send it. That's all I had to say, guys. This trip has been just insane. Everything. In a good way. Look, like, oh my gosh. See the horse. Horse. I don't know how to I can't do the horse sound, but that's a sheep. Oh my gosh, look, more cows. Moo. Yeah. There's like no one out here. It's crazy. you can really be like you know, act out and stuff. Oh my gosh. I wonder if they turn it into, it's probably not a ski resort, but that would be a wicked mountain to go down on I don't know if it's possible, but like, oh my gosh. It is beautiful. We got bikers, people bicycling. It's nice. Got the tag on. We're going exploring in the tag. It's amazing. More cows. So we're like 20 minutes away from the Teton National Park. I'll definitely take some more POV drives once we get there. But this whole area is just jaw-dropping. Very excited. Oh, there's someone behind us. Oh, it's a truck. CVT, I just don't, it's not for me. I like switching gears. It just feels so weird when you shift up. It's just like, I don't know how to describe it if you've driven a CVT. I definitely need my, you know, 6-gear transmission. But these Altimas, man, I think it's got 188 horsepower in the 2.5 liter. I believe this is a 2.5 liter. It's not bad for a rental car. I think it is faster than a base model Jetta. That's what I was supposed to get, but I will say the Jetta has the sunroof, and I feel like the interior is a little bit more refined. You know, it's very German. I don't know if you know the difference between JDM and German cars, but the Germans have definitely a little more like finesse. But look at the mountain. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Got the trucks out here, boy. Oh my gosh. That has to be some type of ski. I see the trails where they dig out. Oh my goodness. I hope this looks good on camera, guys, because if you are here in person, I can't even describe it. It's majestic. And it's just nice to drive. Like, if you like driving, you just see so much out here. Can't stress that enough. But anyways, guys, thank you for watching. I'll catch you on the next one. There'll be tons more videos. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Comment down below what you want to see more of. I love you guys. Murtacus out. Peace. My love, you say you wanna try, but you never do.